Go ahead. This is Chris from Triple C Window Cleaners, and we're repairing some screens at the WCR mothership. All right, so you
That's right. He's taking Stuart, and he's teaching me how to do it. Hold on to your seats.
That's the man right there. YS2 on the forums. Look out for him. Just Squeegee Ninja NJ. So what you do is you remove the old screen. Try to reuse the spline when you can. We'll see if the spline is going to rework. The best way to do it: start up in the corner. Take your little screen repair tool and push that bad boy in. Doesn't have to be perfect at this point. It's all good. And once you got that in, you come back with the other side and push it in even further. It's a beautiful thing right there. Razor, that's right, not prepared today, so I'm just using the razor straight up. Don't do that, kids. Your insurance company will freak out. Cut it, push that in. Go on this side and repeat the process. Kind of pull it a little bit taut. Move this garbage can out of my way. Sometimes it's a little rough getting it started. You want to make sure you don't cut the screen with the screen tool as you're doing this.
Watch the crowd. Hey!
You're going to top that off as well. Now the screen's pretty much laying flat. It's a good deal. You take your razor, hold it up like this, and you slice that off just to get it out of the way. Throw that out the way. Flip your screen over. Take the spline that you already took out of the screen and do that again. Push it in. See, I almost cut the screen there. Take that razor, slice it, do the same over here. The final one, you want to pull it a little bit tight, make sure that it's working all right, because you don't want a floppy screen. A floppy screen is a bad thing. It makes customers unhappy. Now, this one's going to be a little tough because you're pulling against all the other tightness right here. So, push. Push. You're always going to have a little excess from chopping off the rest of the screen. A little excess spline, that is. Now, pick this bad boy up. Go inside the groove like this. Slice it up real nice. Make sure you don't cut the screen that you want there. Just push this in a little bit. Another thing the pick comes in handy for is pushing this in all the way. Slice it this way. This is a little bit off center here. Just keep going. You're good. The battery's low. It's a little tricky getting into the corners sometimes, especially when you're just using a straight razor. But when in Rome.
Do like the WCRA does.
Exactly. Oh yes, since this video is going to end up on WCR, please buy your supplies from windowcleanresource.com and join the WCR.
And the WCRA.
Do you want the open Coke and the open Sprite?
Everybody say hi to Alex.
Hi, Alex.
And Melody trying to squeeze out of the window. Hey, Melody.
Don't love being on the
Now you go back one time. Make sure it's all in.
The rest of the cleaner has all
Now, I'm not going to tell you what I charge for that. But what we are going to do, because Alex isn't looking, throw his trash under his desk. But wait for him to find it on Monday morning.
Along with everything else.
WindowCleanResource.com, kids.
Huh? Yeah.
Out.
Check out the new location. All the supplies that you need.
Yeah, that's all good.
You're good at that.
Great job.
All good.